So let's move to this second toolbar. So I press on it. So I've shown you much about this second toolbar in the when I'm talking about those ads and other things, but let's also dive into it here. So yeah, sticker. I've shown you the sticker, right, on how you can add sticker. And if we add, maybe let's try to add one sticker here. Yes, let me check. Let me add this. So I zoom it and anyhow. So if you want to edit your sticker, and most time I don't edit sticker, I will just apply it on it and it is finished. So let's go with it. So to import here, it means to import anything from your phone gallery. So let's press on. So here you can add anything you want to add back. So let's add this. So you can see that our design here doesn't have any background. So I will also make video on how you can remove your image background. Yes, I will make a video on it. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I drop this video to this channel. So and make sure you like, follow and share. Make sure you like and share this video, because if you just try to like and share, it will reach much people like that. So let's dive into that draw. I've shown you something about that draw before, so let's dive into it here. So here you see the pen size. Now to draw, you can see how tiny it is here, but if I just try to increase the pen size, you see it is much obvious than before. So its smoothness is not really that necessary, Charlie. So you can also change the color of your draw. Yes, you can see, and the blur radius, to blur it, you can see now. You can see how it works. So see the inside, fill inside and dash my neon effect. You can see how it works. You can see the neon effect dashed fill inside. You can see now. And you can see that when I just press OK on it, all what I've done, they just they merge together to one place. So it won't be a problem for me when I'm just trying to edit it or anyhow. So now in this design, you can just try to reduce the opacity or anyhow. It's more, yes, you can use it for background purpose when you just feel like editing your background before using it. But I will make a video on it, so don't let us waste our time on this video. So shape, if you just want to add shape here, you can choose any shape you want, maybe square, circle or half circle or triangle or any one you want. So, and we have radius if you want to change it to from square to circle, or you can see now you can edit the radius. And here we have opacity, we have strokes, and we can change the color of the stroke. We have blur radius, and we have Bezier. So I will also make video on how you can use this, because to use this it requires a lot of time and effort. So it simply makes to cut something sharp. What are we? No, it's used to get something. So yeah, let me show you how you can use it, or what it does rather. Because here, if I just try to just join it together here, you can see that I will just, at the end of the day, you will see what I will get. So wait. Yeah, let me add. You can see what it bring. It shows rather. So there is a way I use it to just achieve something that is much more better than this. But I think when next I'm designing, I may use something like this and make a tutorial on it. But let's list this right now. Let's delete it. So we also have arrow. You can see to enlarge our arrow, and the arrow size. Here we have the arrow and how we want it to be. You can see, and we can enlarge it, the arrowhead only. So we can also change it here. You can see the opacity, and we can also change its color here. You can see, and we can also add stroke, opacity to the stroke, and color. So let's back this. So we are done with this toolbar. So let's move to the next toolbar. So yeah, this toolbar is for background. So here I will show you much about color. Yeah, so let's tap on it like this. So here you can see that in color you have something like color and gradient. So let's firstly talk on color. So tap on it. So here, to achieve color, so you can drag your color to anywhere you want it to be. Here you can see red, green, blue, yellow, and any other section. And the middle, you can see that between red and for blue you can achieve your purple color. And also if you are designing or you see a design and you may see a design color code, yes, you can just tap on it, and you can, maybe you see the color code, maybe the color code is something like FF or something. Maybe I think color code, it is not a must for you to know the color code of one, but I'm just trying to talk about something, because most time I may be you may watch a tutorial video just to get the color code. You will just drag it here. You can see here that to get 260 you must drag here, and maybe you want to trying to get a certain number to add to the 260. So let's drag it to where 260 it is. So 260 and maybe 260 something. We just drag it anywhere to get the exact what you want. So yeah, to make your color that, you can see now that you are actually moving to the red aspect, but to make it red, so you will just drag it more red than before. Rather, you move it here, and to make your red dark, you will just drag it here. And yeah, you can see that our background, how you can see what it brings now. So let's move to the color once again. So if you just want to use transparent as a background, you can just drag it here, or you don't want any color, you will just drag it here. And also you can use anything I'm talking about in this color aspect. In this color aspect, you can use it for text color or anything. So you can see that it is not showing anything, it is only showing something transparent. So if you save your project now, it will be transparent. Let me also use it for color. I mean shape. Let's go and edit it. So go to color and apply color. No, let's do edit like this. Edit. So let's go to the color. You can see now, if I just drag it here and press OK, and press OK. What is it? Oh, it is. Wait, let me delete this and reapply another one. So this is the color. So if I just go to the gradient, it's not really working for this. I can only use opacity. So let me go to text. Let me add text, introduction, press OK. Let me change the background to now. Ordinary purple. Yes, it's okay like this. And let me go back to the text. And so let me go to color and change the color to transparent. You can see now. And let me add stroke. So it will be obvious that I've added text to it. Stroke. So this stroke, let me, you can see now. So let me reduce its size. You can see now, and press OK. So this is what I'm trying to show you. So let's go back to the color here and the gradient. So now if you are just designing and you did not get the exact color that you want to use for your design, and you have the maybe something, maybe the maybe image or anything that have the color, so you can just apply it to your Canva. Just export it, import it rather to your Canva, and by this you tap on this ink icon here, and you can see, you can just tap on it here to get the color. Maybe I'm trying to use the color of this trouser here. I want to use it for my design, and I don't know how I can get it through this way. I can just tap on this and just tap on this and get the color. So yeah, you can see that now the color of the my background is showing the color of the trouser. You can see now. Maybe I just want it to, maybe it's very dark for my design, and I can reduce how dark it is here. You can see. Let me use the color of the shoe. Let me use the mistake. You can see now. So let's go back to the color, and hey, this is what I'm telling you. So if you just want to use the color code, you can apply it here. So you can just edit it, and let's try it here. Let me use FF Oh, oh. I just tap on any something like that. Maybe the color does not exist. Let me use that 00 so it's, I think you can just paste it here if you know the color code, but I don't know why it is not working. So let's press OK. So for the gradient, so you can see here the gradient is simply mixing of maybe 2 or 3 color together. Let me show you here. So if you just want to mix up 2 color together, you can just tap on this side here and press the color icon. Maybe let me use yellow. Yeah. No, let me change the color to another color. Let me use blue. You can see, and change the color to the other color rather to deep blue. You can see. Let me change it. Maybe let me use red, but I don't want to commit any color blunder. That's why I'm just trying to make it like that. So you can see that it makes, yeah, like 2 colors are mixed together right now. So you can just change the angle of your gradient. Maybe you want it to be side by side, or up and down, or the middle and the other side, and I think it's okay like this. So let's go to, so if you want to make your background to be transparent, press on this. So you can see that it's transparent, and the image size you can see. And if you, I think it is not really working, but it is crop. Maybe you want to crop your design, the cover of your design or something else, you can use crop. And image, I've showed you this when I'm talking about the 3 dots, but we can also talk about it here. So this image, you can tap on it. No, the image is different from gallery. So let's talk about it. It simply means if you want to use, there are some things that have been on this app, so you can use this. These are already made design, but I don't really use it. I'm not used to it, so I don't really like using something like this. But you can try it as a beginner. You can try it. You can just add something to this, add it to it, and just anything you just feel like to get exactly what you want. If you are good with it, and if you want to use background from gallery, tap on from gallery here. Okay, so from gallery, just have to be patient. Okay, so let me use this. Okay, you can see now, but let's redo from camera. So these are what I want to show you. Talking about the introduction to Pixellab, I think I'm done here. These toolbars are not really useful. Let's stop here. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop video on design, tech, and other things. So make sure you like and share this video as much as you can So by doing this, you are supporting me and this video, and even you are supporting others people that you share the video to. So you can also like comment on any video you want me to make tutorial on. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.